everyone, I'm Terry. Welcome to Good Ingestions, your go-to channel for tips on how to make the whole food plant-based lifestyle which promotes health and longevity easy and doable for you and your family. A viewer asked me if I had done a video on yogurt yet. When I make yogurt, it's cold, creamy, and smooth. But I have to call it yogurt in quotations because it doesn't have active cultures. It's interesting to note here that the gut and microflora are fed and nourished by foods that we consume. Eating a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, and beans naturally balances intestinal flora, eliminating the necessity for fermented foods, which either contain dairy products, are high in sodium and/or sugar. For each 10-ounce serving of this SOS-free, delicious non-dairy yogurt, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. 1 Medjool Date, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 3 ounces of plant-based milk, and 1 cup of frozen fruit. I'm using frozen strawberries today. Let's make some yogurt. I'm making 3 servings of yogurt today, so I need 3 times of the ingredients that I gave you. That'll be 3 dates, 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, 9 ounces of plant-based milk, and 3 cups of frozen fruit. So to my blender jar, I'm going to add my 3 dates. As always, you want to get the pits out. Next, I'll add my chia seeds. And then my plant-based milk. I'm using homemade almond milk today. Now, since I'm using a Vitamix today, this is going to blend up nicely. But if you're using another type of blender, you might want to soak the dates for about 10 minutes or so in hot water, or you can throw them in the microwave for about 40 seconds just covered with water. And your chia seeds too, you might want to soak for about 10 minutes. Otherwise, the Vitamix will blend these right up. So after about 20 seconds on high, this is thoroughly blended. Now some of the seeds have jumped up onto the sides of the blender jar, so I'm going to scrape those down. And now I want to add my frozen fruit. I always find that if I blend all of the non-frozen ingredients first, the frozen fruit blends up so much easier. In go my frozen strawberries. Put the lid back on, and now we're going to blend these in. If they don't blend in right away, you might need a little help from the tamper. Now that that's blended well, we can serve it up. Look how smooth and creamy that is. Okay, I promised to serve it up 3 ways. The first way is over a bowl of fresh fruit. It's particularly delicious over watermelon, honeydew melon, or cantaloupe like I have here. Oh, doesn't that look delicious? The second way I like to serve it up is to make a parfait with some homemade granola. I'll put a link below in the description box to my video on how to make this delicious SOS-free homemade granola. So first we want to take our parfait glass, add a little yogurt to the bottom. We'll pour in some of this delicious granola, a little more yogurt, and we'll top it off with some more granola. And the third way we're going to serve this up is to make yogurt popsicles. I like to pour the yogurt into a container that has a smaller spout, and then carefully pour it into the popsicle molds. Now we'll get the lids on our popsicle molds. And we'll pop those into the freezer until they're frozen solid for about 4 hours. Did you know that the word popsicle is a brand name? The actual item is called an ice pop. In some parts of the world, it's called an ice lolly. I guess we could call them frozen yogurt bars. Now, since we used frozen fruit to make our yogurt, it's nice and cold, and we can eat it right away. We don't have to wait for it to chill in the refrigerator. I also recommend eating it immediately because it's freshest right now, and you don't want it to oxidize on you. So these are my 3 favorite ways to serve up this non-dairy, SOS-free yogurt. Boy, is it delicious. If you decide to try making this yogurt, let me know in the comments section below. I'd love to hear how you liked it and what kind of fruit you used. Be sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And now you can follow me on Instagram at Good Ingestions. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the road to health is paved with good ingestions. See you next time.